Here I have LG Q7 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the settings. Choose the display and under display let's choose wallpaper and theme. So here you have to allow wallpaper and theme to access photos, media and files on your device. And you can choose one of the following wallpapers. Let's open the full gallery and you can choose something from your gallery if you have some albums right here, or you can choose something from the LG gallery. For example, in my case, let me use the following one, and you can set it up on your home screen and on your lock screen. In my case, let me use only on my lock screen, tap set wallpaper, and wallpaper has been changed. Now you can go back and you can also change the theme and the icons. So now if you lock your device, you should see the new wallpaper right here. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.